Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Terraform import. That is one of the most asked question and most important thing if you want to learn Terraform. Okay, so the Terraform import command is a powerful tool in the Terraform used to import existing infrastructure into your Terraform configuration. So this allow you to manage existing resources alongside resources you define in Terraform. Okay. So using this command we can import our EC2 instance. So I will show you in the real time as well. Okay. So let's discuss this topic first, the theory part, then we'll going to see the real time. Okay. So this is the address of Terraform resource you want to import. Okay. So address of the resource. Okay. It typically follow the format, provider type, resources name and the resources ID. Okay. So we have to use Terraform import and the resources type, that what you have created, and the resources name, then the resources ID. Okay. Uses Terraform import is typically used after you define a Terraform configuration .tf files and initialize Terraform in your working directory. Okay. It used to import existing resources that we not created by Terraform into your Terraform state file. Okay. So process, once you have defined the resources you want to import, you provide its address and the ID to the Terraform import command. Terraform fetches the existing resources current state and create a corresponding state object in your Terraform state file. Okay, that is tf state file. Okay. So Terraform does not modify the actual infrastructure during this process. It simply adds the resources to its state file so that it can be managed through Terraform for later use. Okay. So this question mostly get asked when you attend any interview regarding Terraform. Like suppose you have any infrastructure and a user is created EC2 instance or any other resources manually, but you want to like Terraform to manage those resources that created by the user manually. So how you can achieve it? So you can achieve it using Terraform import command, right? So this is the most asked question by the interviewer. Okay. So you have to make a note of. So let's go here and start writing our code here. Okay. So we are going to define our provider first, that is AWS. Okay, and then after that we are going to define our region, that is US-East-1. Okay, so let's save this, and we are going to create one EC2 instance first. Okay, resource, that is AWS underscore instance. Okay, and we are going to give it name, that is prod. Okay, and we are going to give AMI ID. So apart from it we are going to instance type, that is t2.micro. Okay, so let me grab the AMI ID first. So click on launch. I will select the Ubuntu EC2 instance and I will copy this AMI ID. Okay. So paste it here and save it, and let's run Terraform init first, and let's create our EC2 instance. Okay, and now what we'll do, will create another EC2 instance manually and will import this manually created EC2 instance to Terraform. Okay, I'm going to create instance name as wave. Okay, and apart from it I'm going to select the key pair and I'm going to launch this instance. Okay, so go here. As you can see here, wave is pending and our initialization is going on and it's downloading the provider version. Okay, provider plugin version, it's downloading. So let's go here and check it. So let's quickly run Terraform apply -auto -approve, okay, to create this EC2 instance using Terraform. So plan 1 to add our EC2 instance is getting created, right? So let's go here and grab this detail of this manually created EC2 instance, and we want to suppose this EC2 instance get created by any user and you want to manage this EC2 instance by Terraform. Then you have to import this EC2 instance. Okay, you have to import this resource, and how you can do it? You can do it by using Terraform import command. Okay, so our resources got created, but in the state file, as you can see, we have only one instance, that is prod, right? That is prod, and the name is prod, right? Only one instance we have currently in our state file. So let's grab this and try to import this Terraform import. Okay, Terraform import AWS underscore instance dot bev. So we are using whatever we have created the resource type, that is AWS instance. Okay, so we are first giving AWS instance, that is our resource type, and we are giving the name, okay, that we have created, that is wave, right? You can see the key and the value we have wave. Okay, so we are using the name of our resource, right? So wave, and then after that we have to grab the this instance ID. Okay, but we have to also define one resource block here for this EC2 instance, then only we can import this, right? So make sure you define this resource block first, then you try to import this, right? So let's change the name here to bev, and I will be using tags here, and tags will be, the name will be, name is equal to, that is wave. Okay, let's save this configuration and let's run this command. Okay, so let's see our resource is getting imported or not. Yeah, so successfully import successful, right? Our resource successfully got imported. Okay, the resource that were imported are shown above. These resources are now in your Terraform state and will henceforth the managed by Terraform. Okay, so now our Terraform can manage this resource, and let's go to the Terraform state file and see there is any instance that name is bev. Okay, so here we can see the one instance that name is prod, that we have already created by the Terraform script only. But let's go down, and yeah, you can see here that the like instance that name is bev, we have just created, we have just imported by using Terraform import command, and now it's updated in the state file as well. And now Terraform will manage this instance on our behalf, and Terraform will check for any changes, any things that happen to this instance, and Terraform will manage this instance. Okay, so this is how we can import any resource, whatever resources user created manually, we can import using this way. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting. See you in the next video.